Hey, this is Mr. Barr, and today is negative exponents. Negative exponents. The math house has 2 stories. It always has 2 stories. We always have the tops and the bottom. Always has 2 stories. So when I have the number 8, and I put it into the math house, it would be 8 over 1. There it is in the math house. A negative exponent is a ticket to ride the math elevator. A negative exponent is a ticket to ride the math elevator. A negative exponent is a ticket to ride the math elevator. There's a ticket. There's a ticket. This 6 has a ticket, so it's going to go down to the bottom. This 5 has a ticket. It's going to go up to the top. The 6 went down. The 5 went up. No ticket, no problem. No ticket, no problem. Move the number and then give it a ticket. Move the number and give it a ticket. Here's an example. 1 over 7 to the third. I'm going to move the number to the top, and I'm going to give it a ticket. These are equivalent. 5 over 1. Move the number to the bottom. Give it a ticket. And then I'm not sure what's going on with this slide. Doesn't seem to even fit here. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Negative exponents ride the math elevator. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Negative exponents ride the math elevator. Negative exponents ride the math elevator. Let's do some problems. I'm going to draw the math world. Where's my... Oh, my goodness. Boom. The 5 doesn't have a ticket, so it stays on the bottom. The X does have a ticket, so it goes down to the bottom, and I leave a 1 on top just to keep the space. Notice the ticket is gone, and we'll do another one. I draw the 2-story building. The Y has a ticket, so it goes to the top. The X doesn't have a ticket, so it stays on the top. And I put a 1 in the denominator. I draw the 2-story building. The X doesn't have a ticket, so it stays on top. The Y doesn't have a ticket, so it stays on the bottom. Notice there's no ticket here. This is not a ticket. That's just a negative. A ticket would be up here, like that. I draw the 2-story building. The 2 does not have a ticket, stays where it's at. The X has a ticket and goes to the bottom. The Y does not have a ticket, stays where it's at. I draw the 2-story building. The X has a ticket, goes down to the bottom. The Y has a ticket, goes up to the top. Notice the tickets are gone. They use them to ride the math elevator. I draw the 2-story building. The 1 doesn't have a ticket, stays where it's at. The Y has a ticket, goes up to the top. Put a 1 in the denominator. I draw the 2-story building. Right now, X is on the top. X has a ticket, it goes to the bottom. Put a 1 in top just to show the 2-story building. Write this guy using a negative exponent. Well, I draw the 2-story building. I drag him up to the top, and I give him a ticket. Excellent. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.